TRI-5. This one belongs to a certain Kale and Shanty Darling. I think I know them. This is Chance 55. Johnny Martinez did all the scratch on here, so it's wicked lines. Really clean setup, air conditioned. They drive this thing everywhere. They're part of our group, the Grade 8. And the Grade 8 is anybody in our club that'll go over 150 miles to a club. They drive this thing 300 and 400 miles on runs. So it's a hell of a car. And it's in the house here on Pctv. Down a live sticker. And there's Surf City Classics representing. Got a couple Buffalo nickels there. This one usually wins pretty much everywhere it goes. But this is Shanty's car. And all the girls, of course, love classic cars and are a part of the club and just really appreciate having them as friends. Let's take a look at some more TRI-5s. Belair, poster, very clean. LS converted. Griffin radiator setup. Look at this. This Griffin ties in really nicely. It almost looks dead stock. Most of the time the guys do the aluminum. Look at this. He's got the cold air intake. It's boxed off. He's got the CPP hydro boost in it. Got a lot going on under here, man. You guys would never guess it looks just stock as a box of rocks outside. But man, this thing is a full resto mod under the hood. Look at that. He even has the original shifter on it. You would never guess in a million years what's underneath the hood here. There's his AC. Beautiful overall. More the TRI-5 row here. 4-door wagon, 55. Very sweet. Right next to it, 57. Another LS converted. Vacuum operated brake. Look where his cold air intake is. That's interesting. And this is what I was talking about before. This is, I believe, this is cool. It's cool radiator setup. Got his condenser in front there. Super, super clean example. Look at that. He's got suede and leather. Well, no, it's velour. It's velour and vinyl. Nice dash setup. Let's take a look at this trunk here, see what we got going back here. Yeah, it'll work. Definitely nice. Take a look over the show here. The rain's been holding off. Right next to it, what do we got here? 56. Oh no, another double nickel right here. Convertible Belair. Very sweet. Get a look around this thing. There you go. 55 Belair convertible. So that pretty much covers the TRI-5s here in Laguna Beach. So let's moving on to the Fords now and take a look, see what we got over here. But one more look down the row. There's your TRI-5s.